What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Shop on Two Wheels. Package came in. I ordered it from a Bike in Japan. It's my Quickshifter for a Honda CBR 2019. Let's get the paperwork out of the way so you'll see my address. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do like and subscribe. Thanks. So we will unbox. So this took like about a week to come in from Japan. Let's open this thing. Right, what do we have here? Nicely packaged. It's good packaging. So we got the Honda Quickshifter. So I'll try to install this today. Let's see what's inside. So this one is just a Quickshifter for the Honda CBR650. You can shift upwards. So that will be one part. Bunch of cable ties. A shift rod. Got instructions which I have to read first. And the quick shifter sensor. Very nice. Let's do this. Alright. Let's first take off the pillion seat cover. Take off the seat. There are two hex bolts here. This one. Just loosen it. So you can take the whole thing. So we'll just disconnect the negative. Just this bit. So after that, we need to take this shifting rod out. So just have to take this bolt out and take this bolt out also, so you can take the whole rod and arm. And then next will be this part. This needs to be re-greased. Let's take it off. Okay, that's the whole rod. So I got that off. Get the bolt off. I'll just measure 175 mils. From the tip, I have to squish it. So up to here, 175 millimeters. And I'll put the guard, the protector. I'll get electrical tape. So I disassembled the old shift rod and replaced with the new one with a sensor, and then the wire. It says in the manual you you have to measure 175 millimeters and put the protector, and then we'll tape it with electrical tape. So we'll tape it in. The 175 millimeter mark, and we'll just tape it in place. Okay. So that's my 175 millimeter. And then we'll just assemble it back, and have to measure 268 millimeters from nut to nut. So a bit more. That's it. So that goes like that. All right. But before that, I should grease this bolt, this area. Tub of grease. Let's put this in there. Wipe off the excess grease. There you go. So this goes in that punch hole there. Put this back in. Just get this wire sorted. Just put it here first. This Allen wrench. Get it snug. Yep. Get it snug. Tighten this bolt. So that's been tightened already. It's pretty good. Swivels. Get that there. Now we have to take off this screw here. So just get it. Take this thing out. There you go. So this one has like a Velcro. Just pull it. There you go. Should be another one there. Just pull it out and then pull it back. Lift it like that. So get the whole panel off. Keep the screw back in place so you won't lose it. Now we have to unscrew these bits. Same with the other one. There you go. And just pull it back. It's like a Velcro also. Lift. So it's got Velcro in the tabs. Just keep this. Back the screw so I won't lose it. Then we'll take off this one. So just push the tabs down. There's tabs here. Just push it. Another tab there. Just push it. This should come off easily. There you go. We have to unscrew these. this too. To the other side. Just keep this. That will work. So we just have to access that part. And connect this wire into that thing. So I just rerouted this cable into the bike, the tank here, and then attached the end of the cable to that pin, the 2 pin there. Zip tied it. Zip tie this. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully it works. We'll test it out. I just have to put back everything and then go for a test ride. Seat back in. Make sure the battery is connected again. There you go. Just go for test ride. Gamit ko yung visor clip. Tapos meron lang akong cotton. O, diba? That's alright. Meron tayong radio. Gamitin natin yung Parani. Let's see, Spotify. Go try this setup. Okay. Let's try this. Oh yeah! That is good. Whoa, water. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Guys, you gotta have one of these, man. Upshift. Very nice. Yeah, let's go baby. Port. Very nice, quick shifting like this. It's awesome. Let's go. Third gear. what I... Ooh, that's alright. Oh, it works. Very nice. I'm gonna have some fun. Guys, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Peace out. Paalam.